everyone. Let's talk potties. Everyone has to go to the bathroom when you're out camping or something, and there are many different options out there, from inexpensive to expensive. Well, for me, I have tried them all, basically, but I'm gonna just give you show you a little bit of what's out there. So, first, for hiking and things like that, they have a women's urinal, and I haven't used it yet, so I'm handling it. Yes, just you can attach this little piece to make the stream go down, and you can get into a bottle or out in the woods like the guys do, but you just squeeze this against your private area, and this it costs about $6. It's not real expensive, and it's compact, which is great. You get a female urinal device. That's one option to use when you're out. And I like this little bag. That's really convenient. And you can even snap it onto your backpack, or it's easy to carry. You can put it aside. Next, everyone knows about the Luggable Loo. You can purchase this. It's like a toilet seat in Old Faithful bucket from your local hardware store. Might cost you about $3 or so. And then you just have this seat. You pop it right on here. And you have a portable toilet. You can put a bag in there, or they have that, solution, the blue solution or orange scented solution chemicals that you can put in there. Or you can just use a bag and put some kind of source in there, whether it's shavings or the animal pellets. Some people use kitty litter, but this is another inexpensive option. Luggable Loo. Then I found this one. Look how small it folds down to. I like this one for the camper, the other camper that I have. And it's a seat. This one cost like $14 when I purchased it. But you can stand up the sides. Just stand it up. You can see that. Pop it into place. Yes. Snap that into place. Put this right on top. And you have a toilet. Wow, right? And same concept. You can put a bag inside to catch the waste, and then just dispose of it. Easy up and easy down. And you can take it just about anywhere. This was the other option. Now this acts as a stool to sit on. Like, you can carry it with you. It has a strap here. Easy for you to carry around with you. But you can put your fingers in here and here. And it comes up like accordion style and locks in place. Let me get my finger up. Here we go. And it's a toilet. Now, I like this one. I haven't used it yet, but I like this one a lot for, if I'm going to be hiking and things like that. That's what I got it. Have purchased it with this in mind. Or in your car for those, moments where you just really have to go. But it folds right down. Easy to carry, compact. I love that. Then we have the Thetford Porta Potty. I like this in that, you know, this is the most expensive one, but it flushes. You can add water in this compartment back here, and then here's a little lever. This will flush the water. They have a piece in the back where you can separate the unit. You just can separate the unit here, and then you take this part, the waste collects in here, and you just return this piece, open this up, and then dump the waste in the toilet. On the front, it also has a lever where it's green and red will show you that, you know, when the unit is full. This is the smaller of the two. They have a larger model of this, but with the liquid in it, it gets pretty heavy. And I didn't want to have to be carrying all of that. It doesn't hold a whole lot, so, you know, you have to empty this quite frequently. I would say once a day when you're out. And another disadvantage I found that when it's hot outside, you know, it smells a little bit. It traps the liquid in there, but to me it's still, you still can smell some. Porta Potty. Last but not least, I ended up choosing this one. This is what I use the most for Jenny Jean because of the height. It looks, you know, it looks like a toilet, feels like a toilet, has a little bar here, ring where you can put your toilet tissue, and it also kind of acts like a composting toilet. So it's really sturdy. The inside, it has a compartment, like a chamber part. I usually line it with plastic bags. You see that pink, of course. And then it has a separator. So technically, you can use this as a composting toilet, and you can separate the solids from the liquid, the urine from the poop or feces in there. So I like that about it. And you can just take, you know, the bag and you can dump it. It has you can pull this whole pot out, but also you can just take the trash, take it out and dump it in the trash, which is legal, like you would dispose of a diaper. Now, you could use a liquid solution to take care of the waste, but I prefer animal pellets. Some people use kitty litter, and this is an old kitty litter container. But these are the pellets, and I purchased a big bag. It's like a 40 pound bag from the Tractor Supply store, and it's like $7 and some change. It used to be $6.99, but it's $7 and some change, and it lasts a long time. So you can put that in, and it absorbs the smell. It works really well, and that's what I prefer, and I use in Jenny Jean. There are many different options, and hopefully this gave you a good overview. This is my preference. This was not bad either. I do like it in that, you know, it actually flushes. You don't have to deal with things, but you still have to dump it in the end. It's kind of like a cassette toilet, so you have to dump it. So don't poo in here, or don't leave it for too many days, because it is really, really strong and remind you of a diaper genie, smell-wise. But hopefully this is helpful for you in seeing the different options that there are. And you can order from a couple of different places. Amazon, Temu, Home Depot, many different places. But this came from Temu, and it was under $20. And this one came from Temu too, and it was like $14 and some change. So you have many options, and I hope you find the right one that works for you. Until next time, I'll see you later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.